Hello everyone. Namaskar. This is Durgesh Kumar Gupta. In this video, I will talk about present perfect continuous tense. So what is present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous tense shows the action which is started in the past and is going on at the present time. A structure of present perfect continuous tense. So for an affirmative sentence, it is subject plus has or have plus been plus fourth form of the word plus object. For example, I have been staying here for 5 days. You have been waiting for 2 hours. Doctor has been treating the patient since 2015. Now a structure for negative sentence. Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus fourth form of the word plus object. For example, I have not been going to the market for 7 days. You have not been doing your work for 3 months. She has not been facing the problem for few days. Now we will read the structure of interrogative sentence. So the structure of interrogative sentence is has or have plus subject plus been plus fourth form of the word plus object. For example, have you been going to market for 7 days? Have you been doing your work for 3 months? Has she been facing the problem for a few days? So this was all I wanted to share with you. Thank you. See you in the next video.